Welcome, today in front of me VIVO X80 Pro, and I'll show you that the device comes with the earbuds inside the box. So let's just first open the box. This is the place for our VIVO device. And let's just check this box, because I see here that this is the icon of the headphones. So let's just check. Yeah, we can see here the new VIVO earbuds, so you can use them with your VIVO device now. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.